Take that door off. I don't think it fit.
Oh yeah. Hello. Stanodje. Place to swim. Not many people. What do you think?
I think that's great. It's not bad for a quick find. You made it.
I made it. Thank you. It's hot, Phil. It's hot.
We are super late.
That last bit is down, but I can't remember if this is up or not. Can you see I'm sweaty?
What is it?
It's a Greek treat. There's almond and lemon.
That I'm about to marry the man of my dreams. I don't know where he is. I feel so weird that he's not standing there.
It's not the way. Come this way.